All right, so now we're going to talk about how to use the shape tool, how to autofill it, and how to change the opacity. So let's go to Adobe Draw. And if you don't remember how to do this, you just click the plus sign down here, click iPad Pro, and here we go. So first of all, you need to know about this ruler tool. So this ruler, you can turn any way you need it to, and then you can draw a perfectly straight line. Then you can turn it again, and there you go. So that's a very useful tool there. All right, now let's look at the circle tools, or the other shapes. So you have all these basic shapes, you got some curves, other shapes, and you even have these people you could use. But we're going to start with a circle. You got two options. So one, you could draw the outline, exit out of it, and then you could change the inner color and still have the black outline. So let's change the color. So remember, to do that, you just hold down your pencil. Just bear with me here. There it is. So sometimes, you know, apps are annoying, but you just gotta stick with it. All right, so that's option one. Then you got this black outline. But let's say you don't want a black outline. So here's your next option. Let me get rid of all that mess. All right, here's your circle. You got the color, and you just drop it, and then there you go. So now we don't have that black outline. So this would be like a more modern look. Okay, so from there, let's go with a triangle. So all these shapes have a feature where you can kind of change them to however you need them to be. And you can also rotate them. But for now, I'm just sticking with the basics. Right in the middle. Come on, dude. All right, so I'm gonna go with a purplish color. And I'm gonna take down the opacity. So taking down the opacity means that pink underneath is gonna show through a little bit. So I'm gonna take it down to about 25. And then there you have it. You have the pink showing through a little bit. And then I'm gonna do the same thing again. Okay, not changing anything. But this time, instead of this pink showing through, this purple is gonna show through. So it's gonna change the color. Okay, looks pretty cool. Gonna keep going. Do one more like that. And this time I'm gonna go with a gray. This time I want it to be gray, so I'm gonna go with black. The opacity's down, but I'm gonna increase it a little bit. And there you go. So let me show you what that would look like if it was over all the colors, just so you'll kind of understand how opacity works. So check this out. All right, so with the gray, if white is under it, it's gonna look like a true gray. Okay, if it's over other colors, it's just gonna change the colors a little bit. So opacity just means it's see-through. So that's how you use the shape tools, and how you change the shapes, how you feel, and how you get the opacity to do what you want it to do. So test this out. I want you to submit an assignment with 3 different shapes. So you're gonna have 3 different shapes with 3 different colors or opacities. And that's what you're gonna submit for your assignment. See ya.